this time on Rev'd Garage, we get a parts truck to fix the 6.5 diesel. We're going to check out the diesel's bed and see how bad the rust really is, and go through this parts truck and see what we're going to use to work on that truck. And maybe you guys can give us some suggestions on what we can do with the 6.5. Check it out. Alright, so here it is, the parts truck. It is a 97 1-ton. It has no engine, as you saw earlier. Did come with the transmission, a 4L80. We're going to take a few parts off of this thing, the fenders being one of them. Ours have some rust down in here, so we're going to replace our fenders with these fenders. All the lettering is going to come off of here. This has an interesting option of these tow mirrors. Instead of having the mirrors mounted up here, it has these that mount to the door. We're not going to take those. We're going to get the tow mirrors for that other truck, and we'll mount them up here like this. Let's see here. This is the main reason we got this truck, was for this service bed. Our service bed is in horrible shape, which you'll see in a little bit. It has a lot of rust. The whole bed is gone, but this one is somewhat in better shape. It doesn't look like it's in better shape because the other one, somebody rattle can sprayed it with white, made it look fairly nice, but it's not. It's really far gone. So here, bumper, receiver hitch there. It's going to be used on the other truck, possibly part of the frame down here below, just to beef up the back of it. The leaf springs from this truck, since this truck is a 1-ton, we want to put the 1-ton springs on that one. If it works out. Not sure if it actually will work out or not. This service bed's going to need a little bit of work too, but we're going to be changing out all the handles to make everything lock up and everything else. Back over here to the 6.5 diesel service truck. We still got to locate another bumper because these diesels had different bumpers. That other truck over there had a 350 in it. This has a 6.5 diesel, so it has these air intake holes here on the front bumper. So just little things like that we're gonna do. But yeah, man, we've already walked around this truck before. Let's get to tearing it apart and see what's back there. Remember, there was wood in the bed. We want to see the damage that was in there. There's the old 72 GMC back there. Love that truck. And we will have more with that truck on the channel in upcoming videos. But let's check out the inside of this parts truck here. Parts truck. See, very, very, very basic. No power windows, no power door locks. Do have a seat here. The seat was sitting outside in the weather. We are going to clean that up and hopefully use that for my son's truck, the 85 C10. Transmission mount is sitting here. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of the stuff's already been taken out of here, but we're going to take a few other things, possibly from in here. I don't think these visors are as good as mine. Well, these might be better than the ones in the other truck, so we might change them out. I don't know. But yeah, there's lots of different things here going on with this truck. There's the transmission. We've got all the beauty rings, grill, catalytic converters, all that stuff's in this thing. But the floor in this truck is a lot better. Somebody sprayed it with some bed liner. So yeah, it'll be good, usable for this other 6.5 over here. Start ripping stuff out of the back of this truck, man. All this trash, this plywood and stuff. Probably take the tailgate off so we can get ready to rip this bed apart and pull it off. We're gonna see what we can reuse from it, but I don't know how much of it we're gonna be able to reuse, but we do have the other bed over there that we can salvage and make work. So let's get at it. Need a gas cap? Duralast.
I'm good.
All right. Need a fork?
Ooh, that's awesome.
Spark plugs. Spark plug wires. Spark plugs and spark plug wires in the back of a diesel truck. I don't get it. Uh-oh. We got a tombstone back here. We got a tombstone. Oh, hey, Rev'd Garage making a cameo here.
Hey guys. Oh, there's a tombstone. Where are we going with this?
Let's just go over the top.
Up over the top, not at the camera.
More spark plugs. A big bolt. Spark plug box.
More spark plug wires.
More plug wires.
More plug wires.
This is why it's awesome buying these old trucks from people. You never know what you're gonna find. This is I guess it's supposed to be Frankenstein's, but it's Frankenst. I don't know. Maybe they can't spell in certain parts of the country. Not gonna say.
We're not gonna judge. Yeah, we're not gonna. Yeah.
Oh, let me bring you up. So up in here.
Oh man.
Little weight reduction, should we say?
I mean, going for speed now.
You know, rust, as they say, is lighter than carbon fiber. So, yeah, there's the muffler. That's gonna go bye-bye. We're straight piping this bad boy. Yeah, be careful, don't fall through. If you want to know what the top of the fuel tank looks like, it looks like that. Right down through there. Yeah. Hey, I might use that on something else. I'll pop these screws out. Alright, it's time to check out and test out my new gear wrench. Ratcheting wrenches here. Got them on Amazon. Got them about $40 off. Because the packaging was, I guess, because the packaging's messed up on them. I don't know. Maybe gear wrench is no good. I don't know. But we're going to find out. Let's try this 13 here. 13 as it is. 13 on that side. And ½ inch on the other side. Here we go. Alright, got that one. Much like the other side, we're gonna do it like this on here. I think it's underneath here. We're gonna find out here. Oh yeah, she's underneath this drawer. Whatever this thing is. There we go. Now we're talking. Get on out of here. It's just me out here. Just me out here. You had to see some man stuff out here. Alright, now come on. Come on now. Come on now. Ah, come on. Come on now. I don't want those brackets off over there. Let's go get the Persuader. The Persuader. Got the old East Wing Persuader here. Let's tap it on out of here. Alright, let's try not to fall through this floor here. Because that's why this wood is in here, because, you know, the floor's gone. So, let's try to pry up on them little brackets there. That one's up out the way. Get
this one tapped out of the way. Woo. Don't fall, don't fall. There we go. There we go. All right. I don't know how much of this y'all gonna see, but there we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a mess. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. All right, now that we got that wood removed and we can see what's all up underneath here, and you can see how much damage there is to this bed, and see why we're gonna take this bed off of here and address the frame here. We're gonna look into it, and we're gonna make sure everything's nice and safe and all the welds are great and everything's nice and strong, but we want to box in as much of this back of this frame as possible to make it nice and strong so we can tow some cars, trucks, and things out and save them. So this rig right here is going to be the Rusty Rig Rescue and Recovery Vehicle, and she's going to be outfitted with LED lights so we can get up in there. If it gets dark on us while we're working, we can be able to see. If we're on the side of the road working on something, we can light up and see. We'll have our amber light on the roof. We'll have our strobes front and rear for safety and all that stuff on this rig. All right, thanks for watching Rev'd Garage. Give us a like, share, comment. Give us some advice on what you think we should do with this truck. We know what we want to do with it. We want to do some great things with it. We want to tow and you'll be able to recover some other vehicles. But yeah, just let us know, and we'll see you later. God bless.